So I think we are studying presently isomers, am I right? Everybody? Is it correct? Please respond. So we all know that we are studying isomers of alkanes. So if you take the isomers of alkanes, as I said, N is equals to 1, N is equals to 2, carbon numbers, N is equals to 3, N is equals to 4, 5, and 6. Up to 6, at least you need to learn all the isomers of alkanes. What number up to N is equals to 10 you should learn. So N is equals to 8, N is equals to 9, and N is equals to 10. So if one carbon is present, then no extra isomer will be there, only one isomer. N is equals to 2 also, number of isomers is 1. N is equals to 3 also, number of isomers. First, what is isomer? Anybody can tell? All of you? What is isomer?
Same chemical properties, different structure.
Yes. So, same chemical properties, the phenomena in which two different compounds having the different structures, and you can see that, and different properties, but they're representing with the what formula? Common formula. So name two different compounds, two different structures, two different properties, but the formula is what? All of you. Same common formula. That is what we used to call it as, what we used to say everybody? Isomers. Understand how? So in this isomers, 10th class only isomers of alkanes very important. So up to N is equals to 3, isomers are 1 itself. N is equals to 4, butane. So what is the formula? C4, everybody. C4H10. So how many isomers, all of you? 2. N is equals to 5, isomers are how much? 3. N is equals to 6, isomers are 5. N is equals to 7, isomers are 9. N is equals to 8, isomers are 18. N is equals to 9. Number of isomers, how much guys? 35, and N is equals to 10. Number of isomers are 70. So up to N is equals to 7, we're having a formula. What is the formula, everybody? 2 power N minus 4 plus 1. So this is the formula we will use only up to N is less than 7. So if N is greater than 7, this formula is not applicable. No formula once N is equals to greater than 7. So now I think up to N is equals to 5 we have done, or N is equals to 4. Hurry.
N is equal to 5.
N is equals to 5 completed. So now N is equals to 6 alone, we will finish it. And then we will go to the isomers of other things. So all of you write it next. Isomers of C6H. How much will come? C6? C6 means N is equals to 6. So what is the general formula of alkanes? Everybody, make it quick, guys. General formula of alkane, yes. CnH2n plus 2. So if it is C equals to N is equals to 6 means. So what is the formula? C6H2 into 6 plus 2. So which is equals to what? C6H12 plus 2, which is equals to C6. Everybody.
That's
C6H14. Okay. Now one more thing I forgot to say. If it is the iso, remember iso means what I said, everybody. Oh, at least how many methyl groups? Iso means, please respond, everybody. One methyl group is present. Neo means how many methyl groups? All of you. 2 methyl groups. Last, for N is equals to 5, we have been done that. Am I right, Hari? Neopentane, sorry, isobutane and what is that? We have done for pentane, I think, yes. So pentane we have done isopentane and neopentane. Am I right, everybody? Is it correct? And butane also we have done, only one will come, isobutane. Is it right? Please respond. So isobutane means, iso means only one methyl. One methyl group is present at the last second carbon. So that is what we used to say iso. And neo means, please remember, we have done or not, at least have you written, everybody? So neo itself, at least two methyl groups. Two methyl groups is present. Then what we used to say it is neo. A single person is not there. Everybody is, huh? That is what. So now n is equals to 6 means, what is the formula, everybody? C6. C6, 14.
H
Let us see what is the isomers of it and how to write it and what is the name of it and all. Okay. So make it quick, everybody. First one. So first one we all people knows straight chain. So C6H14. Make it fast, everybody. So what is the formula? All of you. All 6 carbons are in straight chain. All 6 carbons are in straight chain. So first carbon number of hydrogens. Make it quick. Open your mouth. If you want to be a dumb fellow, not necessary to join in the class. You can do something nonsense. Not required at all. So first carbon, how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Second carbon, 2 hydrogens. Third carbon, how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. Fourth carbon also 2. Fifth carbon also 2. Sixth carbon, again, how many hydrogens? Everybody? 3 hydrogens. So we all knows that if it is n is equals to 6. So you can write structural condensed formula. What is the structural condensed formula? CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond. What else? 3, 4, 5.
CH3.
Yes. So this is what it is. So everybody write it. So what is the name of this one? All of you? Yes, please. What is the name of this one? Make it quick. Everybody? Yes. Hexane. Common name is N-hexane. Hexane, N-hexane. Hexane. IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Hexane. And common name is N-hexane. Make it quick. Next. Second one, everybody. Make 5 carbon as a main chain and put for the last second carbon, you put it as a branch, everybody. Sorry, first to second carbon. Make it quick, whatever your choice. So do it fast, everybody. Last to second carbon, you can put branched chain. So how many second one, everybody? 5 carbons are in main branch. That is what? Long parental chain. So parental chain is 5 and last to second carbon having a branch. So first fill all of you, everybody, all of you fill the hydrogens. So what is the number of hydrogens? First carbon, make it quick and tell me, everybody. First carbon,
3
hydrogens. Second carbon, 2 branches are over. How many?
2
Third, again, 2 hydrogens. Then fourth carbon, 3 already over. 1 hydrogen. Then fifth carbon also 3 hydrogens. Those who are trying to copy are not at all trying, no use at all. Mr. Aswin Gokul, are you trying, Tambi? Simply sitting means no use at all, I am saying. So what is the methyl group is present here? Sorry, alkyl group is present here, everybody. What is the name of the alkyl group? Methyl. And wherever that alkyl group is present, that carbon should get what number? Everybody. Lowest possible number. Am I right? Yes or no? So we have to move from right to left. So second. So 2. How many methyl group? 1. So 2 methyl. And parental chain, what is the maximum number of hydrocarbons? See that carbons. Parental chain, how many? 5. So what is the name of 5 means? Anybody? 5
Pentane.
Pentane.
That's all. So 2-methyl pentane. So second carbon is having a methyl group. Then what is that call it as? Anybody? Second carbon is having 1 methyl group. What is that call it as?
2-methyl.
Yes. So this is the IUPAC name. And what is the common name? Anybody? ISO
Pentane.
pentane. What are Rohit? Sense kadayadara. ఇది pentane అది. Simply do it. Next. Completed. Everybody. Next, third one. Put that same branch, exact one, instead of second carbon, you put it for third carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I am putting for third carbon. From right side and left side, both are same. So that anyhow that carbon should get the least. Over. The number of hydrogens, tell me ma fastly ma. Everybody. Girls. 1. Yeah, here I forgot to write condenser formula. That is also problem. You write it. What is the condenser formula? Everybody make it fast. CH3 will bond CH2 will bond CH twice illa CH2. You should say CH2 single bond CH single bond CH3 and here branch. What will happen? Alkyl group CH3. Okay. Yes, the same way here also. So tell me now, what is that? First carbon, how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. CH3, single second carbon, CH2, third carbon. 3 branches are already over. CH,
Hydrogen.
and here again CH3, and here how much everybody? 2 over. Everybody, CH2, last one is CH3. Is it okay, Mr. Vijay? Harisaras, understand? So now, this branch chain has to get left to right or right to left. This will get only 3. So what will happen? How many? What is the alkyl group is present here? Everybody. What is the alkyl group present? Yes, please. Methyl. For which carbon? Third carbon. So 3 methyl. And what is the longest parental chain? Everybody, girls, boys. Parental longest chain, 5 carbons. 5 carbons means what is to call? Everybody. Yes, please. Pentane. Make it fast. Everybody has to do it. Make it quick. IUPAC name. 3-methyl pentane. Unless you try, nothing is going to change. I am saying. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Any doubt, guys? For this, there is no common name. Clear? Understand, Ra? Next. Fourth one, make 2 branches. 2, like we can say 4 carbons in the main branch. Check it, everybody. Once again, I'm saying 4 carbons in the main chain and attach 2 branches for a single carbon, that is for, okay, last to second carbon, whatever it is, you have to make it. So 2 branches is attached. So over now, number of hydrogens, balance it, everybody. First carbon, how many hydrogens? Make it quick and tell me. First carbon, how many hydrogens? 3. Second carbon, 2. Third carbon, any hydrogen will come? Any hydrogen will come? Third carbon. Third carbon, any hydrogen? I am asking you.
No, sir.
Any hydrogen? No. Why? Already 4 branches are completed. Then last carbon, again 3 hydrogens. And above here also 3 hydrogens. Here also 3 hydrogens. Understanding? So now, name it. The branched chain should get the lowest number. So 2, 1 and 2. So 2 hyphen. What is the alkyl group present here? Everybody. Alkyl group present here. Everyone. Methyl. But 2 methyls are there. 2 methyl means what is
Dimethyl.
everybody?
Dimethyl.
Dimethyl. Dimethyl and carbon. Parental chain. How many maximum number of carbon? Parental chain.
4.
4. 4 means what is to say? Everybody.
Butane.
Butane. So that's all. 2-dimethyl butane. So 2-dimethyl is there for second carbon. So we used to call it as a anybody. 2 methyl groups. What is to call? Neo. So it is a neohexane. What is to call? Everybody? Neohexane. But remember, this is also for what? Last to which carbon? Last to second. Hare? Last to second carbon. Understand, Hare? Yes, everybody. Remember that. Neo word, if you are using, it is from last to second carbon. Any doubt, anybody can ask. Next, last isomer. Again, make maximum number of carbons in parental chain is 4. Less than that is not possible. Okay, everybody. So now, for second carbon, 1 branch. For third carbon, 1 branch. Over. So now you balance it, everybody. What is the number of hydrogens for first carbon? Make it fast, everyone. Number of hydrogens for first carbon, 3. Second carbon, 1, 2, 3 over. How many remaining? 1.
One hydrogen.
This carbon, 3. This carbon, 1, 2, 3 over. How many remaining? 1. And here how many? 3. Last carbon also 3. Yark doubt erika, you can ask me, I'll say. So starts from left to right or right to left, we'll get number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So over. So branches are present 2 different places. That is what? 2, 3. How many? What is the alkyl group present here? Verify it, everybody. What is the alkyl group present? Methyl. But how many? How many?
2.
2. 2 means what is to say?
Dimethyl.
Dimethyl. And parental chain, how many carbons are there? Parental chain.
4.
4 carbons.
4 means what is to call? Everybody.
Butane.
Butane.
Over, guys. But this is not a neohexane. Do you understand, Mitakshri? It is not a neohexane. Why? Because 2 branches are not for the second carbon. Do you understand, everybody? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is very, very important. Okay. These are the 5 isomers of hexane. So up to here, everybody has to learn. Then n is equals to 7, 8, 9, 10. Just have a number. It is not necessary to learn the structures. But board exam, definitely n is equals to 4, 5, 6. 1 will be there in our board exam. I hope you all understand. More than this, I don't think so how to say also. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Or else we can proceed further. Do it quick. 3, 4, 5, 6, absent. 7, 8. Okay. Do it, make it fast, everybody. All of you do it. Any doubt, you can ask me. Vijay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mr. Ashik, are you doing? Mr. Aswin Gokul, I called you already. Again, I won't call. I'll directly remove only. Any doubt, anybody having, you can ask me. All of you. Mr. Swadan, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Make it quick. Okay, then. So what is the total isomers? 5. Anybody can tell me the C6H14. What is the isomers? Make it fast. Everybody, name it. First isomer name, all of you. Hexane. Second isomer, 2-methyl. Respond, Ra. 2-methyl pentane. Next, 3-methyl.
Pentane.
3-methyl pentane. Next,
Dimethyl butane.
2-dimethyl. Dimethyl butane.
Butane.
Next, 2-3 dimethyl
Butane.
butane. So these are the 5 isomers of C6H14. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. And everybody has to learn this all the things without fail. So anyone having any complications in anything, you can ask, I will explain. But remember, 100% there will be a question from these things. I hope you all understand. Mr. Naveen, did you understand? Mr. Aswin, Srivardhan, anything
Yeah.
doubt? Ask me. So everyone has to learn this all the things. I want to know everyone. Okay, do it quick. Completed means we'll proceed further. Yes, Harish, completed. Next. So next, isomerism in alkenes and alkynes. Just one example will go. After that, it is not required. But even if you are not at all interested to learn also, if you leave it as a choice also, no problem. Exam, they will never disturb us in alkenes and alkynes. Okay. So isomerism in alkenes. So either it is a single bond, double bond, or triple bond, doesn't matter. Isomers will start from where? Again, same. N is equals to 1. Number of isomers. How much, everybody? Isomers. Anyone? N is equals to 1. Number of isomers. Anybody? Anyone? Hari? Abhirami? What is Mitakshi, your answer? N is equals to 1?
1, sir.
1. Wow. Great, Mitakshi. Such a beautiful answers you people are giving. First, you must have a common thing. Alkenes will start from where?
N is equal to 2.
2, sir.
That is,
Two,
N
sir.
is equals to 2. N is equals to 1 not existed. N is equals to 1 means what is that? No structure at all. Never possible. Alkenes and alkynes, N is equals to 1 existence illa. Am I right? No alkene,
Yes, sir.
methane. So N is equals to 1 not possible. N is equals to 2, number of isomers 1. N is equals to 3, number of isomers 1 only. N is equals to 4, number of isomers, how much will come? Everybody, 2. Do you understand it? After that, it is not, and nobody is not required at all, and don't learn also. So here also, just butane alone, I will teach you. Just, yes, you want to learn, have a glance, that's all. So what is the general formula of alkenes? Alkenes, what is the general formula, everybody? Cn.
CnH2n.
NH2n. So N is equals to 4 means, what is the formula? C4H2n,
C4H8.
which is equals to C4, everybody. C4.
Eight.
Yes, Mr. Nimesh. What is the first one we can get? Double alkenes means at least how many double bonds, everybody? At least
Wonderful.
one double bond.
One double.
Okay. So already I have written alkene structures. Pakranga ellame. So what is the butane structure? What is the first name, Hari? What is the common name or whatever it is? Isomers of butane. First one. Can you tell me? Standard structure I already have given you. So let me write it. So 4 carbons, correct. So first I am putting last carbon double bond. So balance the hydrogens. Everybody make it first carbon. How many hydrogens? Make it quick, guys. First carbon, how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Second carbon, 2 hydrogens.
2 hydrogen.
Third carbon, already 3 bonds are over. How
1
many?
hydrogen.
1. Last
1
carbon.
hydrogen.
2.
Last carbon,
hydrogen.
2 hydrogens. Over. So CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH double bond, CH2. Am I right, everybody? Am I right or not? So for this isomer, first isomer is but and branch is present, double bond is present for the first and second carbon. So that's what but 1-ene. This is the first name isomer of this one. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. So the position of double bond in carbon chain, but 1-ene first. Second one, put that same branch for second and third carbon. Second and third carbon, over. Now tell me number of hydrogens, everybody. First carbon, number of hydrogens, make it quick.
3,
3 hydrogens.
3,
Second carbon, already 3
2
over.
hydrogen.
1 hydrogen. Third carbon, already 3 over. How many hydrogens? 1 hydrogen. Last carbon, 1 and only over. How many hydrogens? Make it quick. How many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. I mean, understand, Ra? Everybody? So means CH3 single bond, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. Ellame Purema, please respond. Everybody?
Sir.
That is what. Now branch is for second and third carbon, double bond. So it is but 2-ene. So that is what it is. So that is the isomers of butane. 2 over. Isomers of butane. Butene, not butane. Butene. Okay. What is the isomers of butene? Everybody? But 1-ene. Third one is what? But 2-ene. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. Make it quick. But 1-ene and but 2-ene. Okay. Clear, all of you? Yes, please. Anything doubt you can
Sir.
ask.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can't make it as branch structure.
No. You cannot make. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. That's what we'll study. The complications are more and there is no general formula. That's why just for one example, unfortunately, they will ask you in exam. Write the general formula of alkenes and write isomers of at least to anyone. N is equal. They won't specify by the time. Definitely they will ask.